Well, that was a pretty relaxed video, wasn't it? If you made it this far, let me first just say thank you for watching. And now secondly, let me just explain a little bit more about behind this video, why I made it, and how maybe you can make one too. To make a long story short, I love the ocean and anything to do with the ocean, and since I had some clips laying around, making a short little cinematic edit like this one was kind of a no-brainer to me. But the longer version of the story goes like this. If you're familiar with Mr. Beast and Mark Rober on YouTube, then you may have heard about their project called Team Seas, and that their goal is to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of plastic and waste from the ocean, because nobody likes ocean plastics, including myself. In light of that, Epidemic Sound, which is the sound subscription service I've been using on this channel for years now, is helping to raise awareness to this campaign by asking creators in the community like myself to create something that shows how important the ocean is and what it means to you specifically. I decided to slow things down than what I normally have on this channel and put together this cinematic video of the ocean because that's my way of expressing and showing what the ocean means to me. Living near the beach, I've found myself there so many times, whether it be to practice photos or videos, or whether it's just for a walk to enjoy the sunset, listen to the waves crashing, or just feel the fresh air and breeze on your face. It's when you're in moments like that that you experience and feel things that make you want to break out your camera and record it in the first place. Now, capturing those moments and making them feel exactly as they did when you were there is kind of impossible, but making videos like this one can really come close sometimes, especially when you pair it with music and sound effects that really immerse you in what you're watching. Which is good news for me as someone who uses Epidemic Sound. They have a huge library of music and sound effects that I've always been able to find easily and get inspired for when creating something like this. And now it's even easier. Starting December 1st, they've created an album specifically for Team Seas to help you find ocean-inspired music and sound effects, so that if you want to help and join Team Seas, you can go on there and find an already built playlist to help you get inspired and maybe create something of your own. In my description, there will be a link to Epidemic Sound. You can start your first 30 days for free with this link, and then you can find your way to the Team Seas curated album, or just navigate throughout Epidemic Sound until you find something that you like to help you get inspired and to help you create. All right, so that's the spiel. That's my little bit on Epidemic Sound and a little bit more about why I made this video. As a quick side note, throughout this talking portion, I tried to overlay some footage of before and after of how I graded some of the footage in this video. If that's something that you'd like to see a further video on, a little bit more in-depth, then let me know in the description below. Other than that, that's gonna be it for today's video, and until the next one, I'll see you then. All right, peace out.